Hey Math Masters, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this very, you can say, tricky math question. Try to solve within 10 seconds. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. We have our expression question. You can say 10 minus 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 minus 10. This is like sequential 10, 10, 10, 10 operations. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS, or you can say order operations. And here, as we can see, four operations are there: subtraction, addition, division, and subtraction. And out of these operations, division have higher priority than subtraction. And also, there are two division operations, and both have the same priority. So we will do left to right here. So we will solve for this part left to right. Okay. And we have left most this division operation, which is 10 divided by 10, and this will give result 1. So we can rewrite 10 minus 1 divided by 10 minus 10. So let's go for like decimal form. 10 minus 1 divided by 10, like 1 divided by 10, we can solve in two way, like fractional method and decimal. Okay, when we use fractional, we will use 1 by 10, and when we use decimal, we will use 0.1. Okay, so let's move with decimal part. 1 divided by 10 will give result 0.1 minus 10. And here both operations are subtraction. We will do left to right operations. And here 10 minus 0.1, this will give 0.9 minus 10, and 0.1 minus 10 will give here minus 0.1 as answer, which is the right answer for the first question. And moving to the next question, we have 2 times 4 squared divided by 2 minus 10 plus 1. So according to PEMDAS, first we will go for this exponent part, which is 4 square, and 4 square is nothing but 4 times 4, which equals to 16. So we will write 2 times 16 divided by 2 minus 10 plus 1. Now here again we have four operation: multiplication, division, subtraction, addition. And out of that operations, multiplication, division have the higher priority than addition and subtraction, and multiplication, division have the same priority. So we will do throughout left to right operations. 16 times 2, which will be 32, divided by 2 minus 10 plus 1. And 32 divided by 2 will give result here 16. So we will write 16 minus 10 plus 1. 16 minus 10 will give result here 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 will finally give 7 as answer, which is the right answer for the second question. And if you're math lover, then subscribe us for more videos.